welcome to the Week in Review for Module 6, your final module in the program. Okay, so this week we have 3 things for your final module in your baccalaureate career. The first thing that you'll be doing are the peer evaluations of the move note, the practicum presentations. So you're going to continue with that, just like you did last week. You'll continue this week. You'll pick 4 of your fellow students, watch their move note presentation about their practicum, fill out the peer eval, 1 for each, and submit that to the Dropbox. So you'll have 4 peer evals submitted to the Dropbox by the end of this week. You had 4 last week. Each one of those is worth 12.5 points, I believe, for a total of 100 points for all of those peer evals. So make sure you do have them all in. Also, just make sure that you're following that naming convention with those files. I think most of you did a pretty good job. It's all there, how to name each one of those peer eval files before you upload those to the Dropbox. Okay, so you've got that. The other thing that you'll be doing is the practicum paper. And this is not to be confused with the practicum paper that you're doing for Dr. Watson, I believe, which is a much longer, more involved paper. This paper that you're doing for this class, and I'm going to actually lighten up a little bit on the page requirement, is only 2 to 3 pages, no more than 3 pages. The title of the paper, or the focus of the paper, is Applications to Your Personal and Professional Development that you gained through this practicum experience. So, you know, the good or the bad, and most of you did address that in your presentations. So it's kind of, some of you thought it was great experience, you gained a lot. You learned a lot of different things, and you see applications going forward. Some of you learned things from the practicum and realize that you don't want to go forward with those things. But still, that was a valuable experience in just doing that. So it's those kind of applications. You know, kind of, here's what I got out of this whole thing. Here's what it means to me personally, because a lot of you had some very personal experiences, not only professional. And here's what it meant to me as for my profession kind of going forward. So you'll do that in a paper about 2 pages, no more than 3. And that'll be due this week. Of course, everything's due at the end of the week because this is your last module. All right, and then as I look at the syllabus here, the last bit of writing that you'll do will be a reflection paper. So please take a few moments to do the reflection. No APA, no word count, no minimum nothing required for that paper. All I ask is that you do take some time and think about that and put your thoughts down. I give you some guiding ideas about that reflection in the module. Use those guiding principles, and if you could put that in your final reflection, that would be absolutely fantastic. We've always found the final reflections to be a really great way to end the program. So those 3 things, the little practicum paper, which has nothing to do with Dr. Watson's practicum paper, but that little practicum paper for us in this class, the peer evals, and the final reflection. And that will be it for the course. Now, in regards to any late assignments, if you have any late assignments outstanding, I will offer a forgiveness period through the remainder of this course. Well, there only will be a very small deduction in points for any late assignments. So please take advantage of this forgiveness all the way up until Sunday. A few of you are missing some items. Please get those in if you want the points. I'd love everybody to get an A in this course, and I think it is possible for just about everybody to get an A in the course as long as you get your assignments in. Again, there'll be a small deduction if you get them to me by Sunday at midnight. Sunday at midnight is the absolute final period to get anything in. So please do so by then. After that, of course, you know the course closes and you can't submit any more assignments. All right, excellent. If you have any questions for this week, please get in contact with me. And you know how to do that, all the various methods to do that. So everybody have a great final week in your baccalaureate career. And as always, thank you for watching.